So then we start looking at this. Okay. Now, this is the beginning of how you present your results. Okay, we call it the central tendency of the data. Most of the things, they are normally distributed. Therefore, what you need is the central tendency is we're going to look at the average, the mean, the mode, the medians. Okay, so all these are measurement of the central tendency of the data. Okay, that's what they are. And again, you can see we are talking about the statistics here, which is the beginning of very important to your work. Right. So means, modes, means, and medians express different way of looking at any group of numbers. Okay. Let us look at a particular group of numbers. So you have 11, 10, 12, 7, 1, 7, 1, 8, 2, 8, 2, 3. First, we need to put them in the order of size. Remember that. Okay, so don't start working in these modes, means, and medians without ordering them. So you need to put them in the order of size. Okay, so you have rearrange this. We call it rearranging. So this is rearranging, and once you have rearranged, then you start working what you have been asked to do. Beginning with the smallest number first. Okay. Now let us see how the mode, the mean, and the median, okay, can be calculated. Now the mode is the most common number. Okay, so you need to get back and look at these numbers. So you have 7 is occurring twice, 10 is only once, 1 is only once, 11 is once, 12 is once, 18 is once, 23 is once, 28 is once. Therefore, the one which is seen more frequently is the mode. So the mode here is going to be 7.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. The mean is the total of this number divided by the total numbers themselves. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is going to be the total data that you have. The data that you have usually is treated as the n, right? So then you need to add this 1 plus 7 plus 7 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 18 plus 23 plus 28, and then you divide by 9. Therefore, you're going to get the mean. The median, okay, is the middle number. Okay, so the best way to do it is to cancel. Once you have ordered them, cancel one by one. So we cancel 28, we're going to cancel 1. We cancel 23, we're going to cancel 7. We cancel 18, we're going to cancel 7. We cancel 12, we're going to cancel 10. All right, so the middle here, the median, is 11.
I see.
Okay.
Okay.
Right, now, as we move along, it's going to go simple like this. Okay, so there we are going to have formulas, so nothing to worry here. You're going to have formulas. Also, you need to have lower quarter, upper quarter, interquartile range. All these, they're extremely important in terms of looking at the distribution of your data. The mode, which number occurs most often in this group? 7 occurs twice, and each of the other numbers occur only once. So we have found the mode. Yeah, in this group of numbers, the mode is 7. Mode is therefore the number that appears most often. That's the definition. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. The mean, 1, 7 in this, so the mean is often called the average. Okay. To find the mean of a group of numbers, we add all the numbers together and divide the answer by the number of numbers. So the total data. Okay. In this group of numbers, the total is 117. So they have added 1 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 28. Yeah. It comes up to 117. But there are 9 numbers of this data. So therefore, we're going to divide by 9. Yeah, and that should give us 13. So 13 is going to be the mean. The mean was also called the average. Okay. But that may confuse it because there's going to be moving average when we are smoothing out the data, which has got a lot of variations, so that we can get the trend. Right. Okay. The median is the number which appears in the middle of the list. Okay. 11 appears in the middle, so we have found the median. In this group of numbers, the median is 11. To obtain the median when there is no middle number, for example, if you have a group of 8 numbers, then you find the 2 numbers closest to the middle and add them together, and then you divide by 2. Okay. So what is it saying? If you had you had 4 on this side, okay, and 4 on this side, and you have these 2 middle numbers, then you need to add these 2 middle numbers and then divide by 2. And that will be your
Okay. Okay.
all right.
So in the example with those numbers, if we take away 11 and pretend there we have an even number of numbers.
Yeah.
And what we would do is take 10 and 12, add them together, and divide them by 2.
Yeah, that will be your median.
Okay. So still 11.
Yeah, it's still going to be 11. Yeah. All right. Okay. All right. So that's life very easy in this world. Okay. So let's look at this. So look at this group of numbers and then complete A to C. Okay. So you have 2, 5, 12, 18, 18, 20. In this group of numbers, what is the mode?
Already need my notes.
18. Yeah, so the mode here is 18, is the most frequent number. Okay, the number that is seen most. In this group, what's the mean?
Okay, let's see. 12.
Yeah, so when you add all these, they're going to be 84. Okay. And then you divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that should give you 12. In this group, what's the median?
12.
Okay, so you cancel. So that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. Okay, so the middle is in 12. Look at this group of numbers and then complete it D to F. Okay, so 4, 6, 6, 8, 12, 16, 18. What's the mean?
6.
Okay, so we have 4 plus 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 plus 18. So the total is 70. Okay, so 70 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that should be 10. What's the mode?
That is 6.
Yeah, the mode is 6. Okay. What's the median?
8.
Yeah, the median is 8. Look at this group of numbers and then complete G to I. 1, 3, 5, 5, 8, 9, 11. What's the median?
5.
Okay, yes, 5. What's the mean?
6.
Okay, so we have 42. And then we divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that should give us 6. What's the mode?
5.
Yeah, the mode is going to be 5. Okay. Tim saves some money every month. Okay. This is what he saved last year. Good. Okay. What is the team's mean monthly savings?
3.
Yeah, so his mean is £3. Okay, so £3 per month. Jack is 41 centimeters tall. Fiona is 137 centimeters. Claire is 133 centimeters. What is their mean height?
137 centimeters.
Okay, so 141 plus 137 plus 133. And we divide by 3. Yeah, so that should give them 137. All right. Easy, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, good. Okay.